For the last step in this training tutorial, we are going to finish the walls using Surface High-Speed Waterline. Surface High-Speed Waterline toolpath is best suited for parts which have surfaces between the angles of 30 and 90 degrees. This is because the Waterline toolpath generates passes at a constant Z depth and the distance between passes is measured along the tool axis. Where surfaces are shallower, the material typically won't be removed. However, you can configure the toolpath to remove material in those shallow or flat areas as well. With that being said, come down to this folder here, folder number 6. Make sure it is the only one that's highlighted, and right-click. Select Copy, and make sure your red insert arrow is below folder 6 here. Come down to the white space, right-click, and select Paste. From here, select Parameters in folder number 7. Come up to the top and select Toolpath Type. We're going to change it from Spiral to Waterline, and go to Tool. In Tool, we're going to make sure that we select our 1/4 ball and mill. Instead of Finish Top of the part, we're going to select Finish the walls of the part. Once this is done, come over to the left-hand side and select Cut Parameters. In Cut Parameters, we want to make sure that Add Cuts is turned on and Step Down is set to 0.02. Also make sure that the walls and floors are set to 0 as well before continuing on. When this is done, select Tool Containment. Under Tool Containment, make sure it is compensated to the center. Select Transitions and make sure that these align to that of your training tutorial before moving on. Go over to the side and select Steep/Shallow. Change these values here in the Z depth to -0.35 and make sure that the maximum depth is -1.1 and hit Enter on your keyboard. When this is done, come over to the left-hand side and select Linking Parameters. In Linking Parameters, make sure that all this aligns to that of your training tutorial. Come up to the top here and select Minimum Vertical Retract and change it to Full Vertical Retract. When done, select OK. Select the Regenerate All Dirty Operations. Your toolpath should look like this. Highlight folders 6 and 7. I'm holding down Shift on my keyboard and selecting folder 6. And go to your backplot and verify. To save time, I'm just going to select the verify. However, this time, I'm going to select play as opposed to end. Your part should look as shown. To double check, I'm also going to select the collision report and make sure that there are no collisions, which there aren't. Come up to the top and select Close. From here, we're going to go ahead and highlight all of our operations and post the file. Select OK. Save this in a location where you can find it. I'm naming mine Tutorial Number 5. This will load up your Code Expert in Mastercam. Your G-code will be listed on the side. Once you are happy with this, come up to the top and select Close. Toggle your toolpath displays and select the Save button. Congratulations! You have just completed tutorial number 5 in the Mill Advanced Training Tutorial series.